Hi, this is Tamara Rubin, Lead Safe Mama, leadsafemama.com, and we're going to be experimenting with the glowing kit today. So, starting with this is a vintage Tupperware piece. I know from XRF testing that this is positive for 2,780 parts per million lead. This is a green vintage Tupperware. You get the color good on that? Okay. And it also tests positive for arsenic, and the home test kits don't test for arsenic. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you the testing of this with the light on, and then we're going to turn the light off to see if we get a better reaction. But I'm really expecting on some of these items that we're testing today that they will not test positive with the glowing test kit. Okay, ready to go? So when you use the glowing test kit, the first thing you do is you shine the light. Now you can't, with the light on, maybe we should do this whole thing in the dark. Okay, you want to go turn off, here, I'll hold this, you go turn off the light. Okay, so we're showing, you can see little blue bits, that means nothing, it's just fluorescence. And then we're going to spray it with the spray test kit, and I'll put the link to this test in the link, in the details with this video. And so again, this is vintage Tupperware, it's probably from the 70s. So then I'm going to spray the test kit, and we do know, I'm going to give this a minute to react. We do know that this tests positive for 2,780 parts per million lead, and I'll put that article with the XRF test results on in with the video. So if we shine this, I'm not seeing any green glowing that you would expect with the iridescence. Now I'm going to I have a couple different flashlights here. I'm going to try it with a different flashlight just in case. So this is low power. And again, so this we know is leaded, and it is not testing positive with the glowing test kit. Okay, so can you see me okay there? Okay, even though we're in the dark, you can see okay? Okay, so maybe we'll film all of these in the dark. So the home test kits, all kinds, are not sufficient to test all consumer goods for lead. They work on some consumer goods, but not all. I will put the link to this home test kit in with this video, but I just want to reiterate that even though this is not testing positive with a home test kit, it has a dangerous amount of lead. The amount of lead that is unsafe for items intended for use by children by modern standards is anything 90 parts per million or more in the paint, glaze, or coating, and anything 100 parts per million lead or more in the substrate. Plus, this also tests positive for 234 parts per million arsenic. So across the board, we have concerns, and this is not safe to use with food, even though it doesn't test positive using the home test kit. Thanks for watching. Learn more at leadsafemama.com. And again, on the YouTube version of this video, I will put the link to the article with this, as well as the link to the test kit. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.
I should say that I've been adjusting the amount of light that's coming into the camera, so it's a lot darker in this room than it actually seems like it is.
Oh, okay. And you changed it when we were showing it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, good. Great. Thanks, Avi. That's my son filming.